Hey guys, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to make the signature Clean Bandit sine wave plug that they use in a lot of songs like Rather Be, Symphony, Come Over, stuff, songs like that. Okay, so first off I started off with 3x Oscillator. So I'm just going to mute this one. There it says 3x Oscillator. So just start with the default patch and make every thing a sine wave. Don't touch with that, and make everything a 24 in terms of coarse pitch. And I guess just mess around with these settings just like I put on. So it should sound. So next up is you're going to try and make it a pluck sound. So turn on the envelope and make sure you turn everything down. Give a bit of a decay and a bit of release, and then the magic to this sound is actually on the pitch you put a LFO on, so you just raise the attack a bit, the amount and the speed, and it gives us a bit of like shaking pitch noise, and that's kind of like the secret to this pluck. So I'll play it now just with a couple of examples. Right, and maybe to add a bit more juice to it, I decided to add a second patch using Sytrus. So it's just a default sine wave here. And then with the volume envelope, obviously turn the attack all the way down. Make sure it decays a little bit. Turn the sustain all the way down and give it a bit of release. And then same thing with the sine wave. With the pitch LFO, just mess with the settings so the LFO goes up and down and turn it on. And then I did nothing else with that. So then when you put them together, whoops. And also another secret to this sound is the reverb. So I added reverb on the 3x Oscillator one. So here are my settings. Just wet up a little bit of decay, not too much. And then to glue the two sounds together, I put them in a separate bus. So this is like a different bus, and I link them to the bus. And then I put some OTT, which is a free plugin from Xfer. And what I did was I didn't touch these knobs, I just turned the depth all the way down from 100 to around 30, 33. And yeah, that's it. That's the overall sound. It's really simple, and I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you.